If you couldn't come to meet the teacher night or you came and you didn't pick up a supply list, here are the things you need for 8th grade language arts. The first thing you need is a 5-subject spiral notebook. We prefer the 5-star brand because it's more durable and it's a good size. We like that it has pockets on the inside. You also need glue sticks. We use a lot of glue with our learner notebooks because everything goes in there, so make sure you have glue sticks. You also need writing utensils. We're fine with pencils or black and blue ink pens, whatever works for you. We also use highlighters. We like to use highlighters when we annotate texts. We also use scissors. Scissors are used with our learner notebooks when we cut things to put them inside, so they're handy to have. Most importantly, make sure you have with you at all times an independent reading novel. We read every day, so make sure you bring something with you to class that you are excited about reading. If you'd like to donate any of these supplies to our classroom, we would really appreciate your support. If you have any questions, you can email your teacher or follow us on Twitter at WildcatsLA.